Looking for a vibrant and nutritious drink that's both refreshing and full of health benefits? Ginger-beet juice might be just the perfect addition to your daily routine. With a brilliant crimson color and a sharp, spicy kick from the ginger, this juice is a powerhouse of nutrients and flavor. Whether you're looking to improve your energy levels, support your immune system, or just enjoy a tasty drink, this juice is a must-try. Ginger-beet juice isn't just your regular juice. It combines the earthy sweetness of beets with the zesty warmth of ginger, creating a drink that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Beets are known for their high levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while ginger brings powerful anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Together, they make a potent elixir that can do wonders for your health. This ginger-beet juice recipe is perfect for anyone who's looking to increase their intake of vegetables, especially in a quick, drinkable form. If you're always on the go but want to maintain a healthy diet, this juice is ideal. It's also great for those who are into fitness, as beets have been shown to improve endurance and muscle recovery. Whether you're trying to detox, boost your immune system, or just enjoy a refreshing drink, this recipe will suit you. Both ginger and beets are known for their immune-boosting properties. Ginger has antibacterial and antiviral properties, while beets are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system. This juice is the perfect way to give your body a natural defense boost. Beets are famous for supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, especially in the liver. The nutrients in beets help break down toxins and flush them out of the body, making ginger-beet juice a fantastic drink for anyone looking to cleanse and rejuvenate their system. 2 medium-sized beets, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, 1 apple, optional for sweetness, juice of 1 lemon, optional for added tang, 1 cup of water. These ingredients are easy to find and affordable, making this recipe accessible to everyone. The apple adds a touch of sweetness that balances out the earthy flavor of the beets, while the lemon provides a fresh zing to complement the ginger. To make ginger-beet juice, you'll need the following equipment: a juicer, or a blender if you don't have a juicer, cutting board and knife, peeler, optional, strainer, if using a blender, a large glass or jug. Start by washing the beets thoroughly to remove any dirt. If you prefer, you can peel the beets, though leaving the skin on will provide additional nutrients. Cut them into small chunks to make it easier for the juicer or blender to process. Peel the ginger and slice it into small pieces. Fresh ginger gives the best flavor and health benefits, so don't skip this step. If you're using an apple and lemon, prepare them now. Core and slice the apple and juice the lemon. These ingredients will add sweetness and acidity, balancing out the flavors of the ginger and beets. If you're using a juicer, feed the beets, ginger, and optional apple through the machine, and your juice will be ready in minutes. If you're using a blender, combine all the ingredients with a cup of water and blend until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove the pulp, and your juice is good to go. Always use fresh, high-quality produce for the best flavor and nutrient content. If the ginger flavor is too strong, reduce the amount to 1/2 inch or add more apple for sweetness. Feel free to experiment with the thickness of the juice by adjusting the amount of water used, especially when using a blender. Want an extra kick of vitamin C? Try adding oranges or grapefruits instead of lemon. This adds more flavor complexity and makes the juice even more refreshing. You can easily switch things up by adding other root vegetables like carrots or turmeric. Carrots add a subtle sweetness, while turmeric enhances the anti-inflammatory benefits of the juice. If you have leftover ginger-beet juice, don't worry. Store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Be sure to give it a good shake before drinking, as the ingredients may settle. Ginger-beet juice is best served chilled, making it a refreshing drink for any time of day. Pair it with a light salad or a breakfast smoothie bowl for a healthy meal. It also works great as a post-workout drink, thanks to the natural sugars and nitrates from the beets, which help with muscle recovery. This juice is low in calories, but packed with nutrients. Beets are a great source of fiber, folate, manganese, and potassium, while ginger provides potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Together, they offer a wide range of health benefits, including improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and enhanced energy levels.